Did you know that the vibrant, cascading bougainvillea isn't actually boasting of its petals? Quite the opposite. The true flowers of this tropical climate are small, subtle and white, while the showy, colourful parts that we often mistake for petals are, in fact, specialised leaves called bracts. Imagine a plant so clever that it uses leaves to create a spectacle, fooling us into believing we're looking at a flower. That's the bougainvillea for you, a master of disguise and a testament to the wonders of nature. Originating from South America, bougainvilleas are named after Louis-Antoine de Bougainville, a French explorer who discovered the plant in Brazil in the late 18th century. Today they are found across the world, from the sunny coastlines of Spain and Greece to the tropical landscapes of Southeast Asia and Africa. Bougainvilleas are a hardy lot. They love the sun and are drought-resistant, which makes them the perfect addition to any garden. These plants are tough, but they also have a soft side. Their vibrant bracts come in a rainbow of colours, from hot pinks and purples to fiery oranges and reds, even pearly whites. But bougainvilleas don't just offer aesthetics. They also play a vital role in the ecosystem. Butterflies, hummingbirds and bees are often attracted to these plants, helping with pollination and contributing to a healthier environment. So, what's stopping you from adding this stunning plant to your garden? As long as you provide them with plenty of sunlight, well-drained soil and occasional pruning, bougainvilleas will reward you with a year-round explosion of colour. They can be grown in pots, on trellises, or as a colourful hedge, offering versatility for any garden space. Do remember, though, that bougainvilleas have thorns, so handle them with care when planting or pruning. Wear gloves and use the right tools. Taking care of bougainvillea may require a bit of effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Just imagine stepping outside to a riot of colours, an instant mood booster that's yours to enjoy every day. In a world that often feels grey, why not add a splash of colour with bougainvillea? Not only will you be beautifying your space, but you'll also be doing your part for the environment. Now that's a win-win. So why not go ahead and plant a bougainvillea today? If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of nature. Thank you.